Hey, 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 you dirty dogs. So, everybody knows my Iraq Dinar RV new possible date is January 4th. Alright? January 4th just happens to be Don Shula's birthday. So, we all know that Don Shula died in 2020. Actually the same year that Kobe Bryant died. All right, now right here it says his birthday, January 4th, 1930. And he died May 4th, 2020. 5-4. Kind of like Cowboys versus Dolphins right now. 5-4. Kind of like the wreck that just happened with that rookie yesterday. His name equals 52. And it's 52 days to the Super Bowl. And he was number 54. What's crazy is his birthday is the same date that I think the Iraq dinar is going to revalue. Now, I've also done some connections with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin started in January 3rd, 2009. Also, right around that same exact time. But its initial release was January 9th, 2009. But the ledger started January 3rd. And January 3rd, exactly 14 years. What y'all don't realize, though, is you've seen some of my other videos. You see that? It's 730 weeks and 3 days. And France versus Argentina. Argentina is now 7-3-3. And from the World Cup to Biden's birthday, it was 377 days. And from the pandemic in 2020, 3/11 to this day was 33 months and 7 days. And here we are, Bitcoin, 2/13/2023. I'm just seeing this number in my matrix, 730 weeks and 3 days. So what? And there's that 5113, just like the pandemic is, 3/11. We know that Soleimani was killed January 3rd, 2020 as well. When Trump came out and said he was scared as a dog, whatever. But Soleimani's birthday was also March 11th. They were telling us the pandemic day because that's when March 11th happened. March 11th. And here we are, March 11th. 3/11 is all over this right now. Now, I don't know if that's good or if that's bad. All right? What if they knocked the bottom out of Bitcoin and they use that money to pay back Iraq and pay back the U.S. with the Iraq dinar? I mean, anything's a possibility. These numbers are lining up. What are the chances that Bitcoin came out January 3rd, Soleimani January 3rd, and here I have a January 4th date, which could be January 3rd here and January 4th in Iraq, right? If it's afternoon. And Don Shula, who I'm on to be in the Super Bowl, I mean, everything is connected if you don't see this. So France was just in the World Cup. I'll even show you how Don Shula was connected to France. Just look at his middle name, all right? Donald Francis. He's connected to Donald Trump. Donald. All right? He died on 5/4. Oh, that's crazy. Because that 54 was connected to Gianna Bryant and Kobe Bryant. They both equal 54. And the Super Bowl that year both teams ended up 15-4. But Don Shula's birthday, y'all know about my number 39, Okay? He's to the Super Bowl. He's going to be 93 years and 39 days old. Let me write that out for you. 93, 39. To the Super Bowl, his birthday is 39 days old. 39 days. Cowboys can get their 39th all-time win in the playoffs. And Tua will be he'll be on 39 games. He'll be in his 40th game, but he'll be on 39 all-time games in the Super Bowl if he gets there. Y'all also know about my number 50. Who is going to go out of our matrix on the 39th day of the year? The Rock. How old is he? 50. Where did he stand last year when he hosted the Super Bowl? The 50-yard line. And he said, it's time. It's his time. And when there was a streaker at the Rams game, the guy that hit the streaker first, and first of all, he had a pink smoke cloud. The pink equals 50. Streaker equals 9 and 7, 97. And the guy that hit the streaker first was number 50 for the Rams. And then number 45 jumped in. 45 like 5-4, like Don Shula 5-4, like Cowboys versus the Dolphins right now are 5-4 at home or away. Well, the Dolphins versus the Cowboys away are 5-4, and Tua got laid out at the 50-yard line. But that number 50 has now since 4 days after his birthday, kind of like Dak Prescott, number 4, went to the Cowboys and is now number 59, kind of like the 17th prime. 59, Cowboys can get their 5th all-time home win and 9th all-time win versus the Dolphins. 59. But Don Shula is on 347 all-time wins. Okay? And from his date of birth to the Super Bowl is 34,007 days. In the rules of numerology, that is 347. Just like his number of all-time wins, 347. He is telling us, it's crazy, is his birthday is lining up exactly with the day that I think the Iraq dinar is going to revalue. And his birthday is 39 days to the Super Bowl. Very strange. And he is 93 years and 39 days old. Tua is going to be on his 39th game, and he's going to end up being his 40th game in the Super Bowl. As you can see here, 39 days, 40 days old is what Don Shula will be. From Don Shula's death, this is the numbers that we see right here. 114. We know Iraq dinar revalue equals 114. My name equals 114. It's probably why I'm connected to this energy. Anyway, a lot of stuff adding up. A lot of these numbers are starting to connect to everything. Word.